Okay, miscellaneous exercise, chapter 9, question number 11. A GP consists of even number of terms. If the sum of all the terms is 5 times the sum of the terms occupying odd places, then find its common ratio. So GP consists of even number of terms. Okay. So it is given that n is even. Okay. Then it is given that if sum of all the terms is sum 5 times the sum occupying odd places. Basically sum all जो terms हैं वो suppose हम उनको divide कर देते हैं sum of even terms plus odd terms. Okay. जो सारी terms हैं या तो उसकी place even होगी या फिर odd होगी. Like Sn is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to An. Okay. So A1, A3, this all will come in odd number of terms. A1, A3 and A2, A4 will come in even number of terms. तो हम इसको Sn को लिख देते हैं sum of all odd number of terms plus even number of terms. And we can write let SO is sum of all odd number of terms, and SE is sum of all even number of terms. Okay. Now Sn is 5 times SO according to question. Or Sn is what? Sn is, it is SE plus SO. Okay. So if I move this from here to here, so sum of even terms is 4 times sum of odd terms. Okay. Now sum of even terms is 4 times sum of odd terms. This we can write, अगर कोई सीरीज है, फर्स्ट टर्म इज A1, नेक्स्ट टर्म इज A2, नेक्स्ट इज A3, नेक्स्ट इज A4 एंड सो ऑन. तो इवन टर्म्स कहाँ से स्टार्ट होंगी? A2 से. A2 प्लस A4 एंड सो ऑन. तो A2 प्लस A4 एंड सो ऑन. और ऑड टर्म्स कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगी? A1 प्लस A3 अप टू लास्ट टर्म. ओके. अब A2 कैन बी रिटन एज AR, A4 कैन बी रिटन एज AR cube, okay, and so on. And for A1 can be written as A3 can be written as AR square and so on. Okay. Now if total number of terms are even, तो यहाँ वाली जो लास्ट वाली टर्म होगी ये इससे एक नंबर ज्यादा होगी. Here this term will be one number greater than this. Means if I say the last term here is AR to the power n, this will be AR to the power n minus 1. Okay. So if I take AR plus AR, if I take A common from this side, sorry, if I take R common from this side, it will be A plus AR square up to AR to the power n minus 1 is equal to 4 into A plus AR square up to AR to the power n minus 1. So this thing and this thing is same, will get a common ratio as 4. This is the answer.